Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Mac is ready. Make sure notifications are quiet and the target content is visible. Press Shift-Command-5 to open the screenshot toolbar because this central tool gives you every capture mode. Once done, scan the toolbar. Choose Capture Selected Portion, Window, or Entire Screen. Set options for Timer, Microphone, and Save Location. Make sure to pick a save folder and enable preview if you want quick edits. This first step gets you in a capture mode without delay. You now execute the capture. For precision, choose Capture Selected Portion and drag, hold space to reposition before you click. If you need a clean app window, switch to Capture Window mode and hover until the blue highlight appears, then click to freeze the window shadow. After capture, click the floating thumbnail to open markup. Here you can crop, add text, arrows, and adjust exposure. Once edited, click Done to save. These refinements ensure your snip communicates exactly what you need. Finish by confirming the file saved where you expect, either the selected folder or drag the floating thumbnail to move it manually. To export different formats, open the image in Preview and use File right arrow export to select PNG, JPEG, or PDF. If captures fail, make sure keyboard shortcuts aren't remapped. Go to System Settings right arrow keyboard right arrow shortcuts and re-enable screenshot keys. If problems persist, restart the screenshot app or run the defaults command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.